A buddy of mine is an Amazon seller who was stuck around the $1 million in annual revenue mark. He knew he had the potential to get to the $10 million a year mark, but just couldn't figure out how to make it happen. After digging in and analyzing his business, there were 7 key areas we identified that would allow him to 10x his growth. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through each one because the same principles apply no matter what size business you have on Amazon right now. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith from Evolve Media Agency. We specialize in taking Amazon listings to the next level through conversion boosting infographic photos, videos, and optimized copy. You can get a free listing audit and free access to our Amazon listing checklist by filling out our contact form at emaamz.com. All right, back to the video. All right, so first up, we revamped and restarted his insert cards. I know, pretty boring, right? But hear me out. Recent research shows that 70% of customers prefer to read instructions on paper than digitally, and insert cards are a great spot for a subtle call to action like, we hope you love our product. If so, consider leaving us a review. It helps other customers too. Little nudges like this work. Next, overhauling your media assets, the creative soul of your brand. Studies show that products with great photo and video visuals convert at double the rate. So take the time to get professional, high quality shots that make your product pop. Reach out to us and we can help. Believe me, it's worth the investment. Variation expansion is another big opportunity. One seller I know went from 5 product variations to 15 by adding new colors, scents, and sizes. Their sales shot up by over 400% in just 3 months. More options means more customers captured, but on the other hand, it means more upfront cost in inventory. As you launch new products, be sure to split test different main images and get feedback from focus groups. PickFu is a great tool to mess around with when split testing different images. Also, test around with those virtual bundles and try just packaging together a bundle to offer as another child ASIN, another variation. This could be a great way to increase your average order value, which will allow you to spend more money on customer acquisition. Next, upgrading your software and tools is a must as you scale. Tracking thousands of orders, keywords, and campaigns is impossible to do without automation. Top tools and trained up VAs can save you 10+ hours a week previously spent on rote, boring tasks. That time is better spent on higher level strategy. Influencer marketing is no longer just for direct to consumer or DTC brands. Micro and mid-tier influencers are ideal for garnering social proof and credibility for your products. It can also help with getting more reviews, and it can actually be very affordable. One seller I know got their product featured by a 50,000 follower TikToker for just $200 worth of free product. Little known fact, steadily increasing your pricing over time is perfectly fine on Amazon. Just make incremental changes every few months. One seller I know has increased their average price point by 18% over 2 years without any issues. So don't be afraid to test the ceiling. And finally, small textual tweaks make a difference. Things like adding your brand to the title, don't front load it though, using all 500 characters in your bullet points, and highlighting key product features and benefits. This tuning helps with search visibility and conversion rates. The key is consistency. Don't let months go by without reassessing those areas of your business. Be purposeful with each of these 7 growth levers, and you'll be well on your way to 8-figure success on Amazon. I know the hustle isn't easy, but you got this. With focus and discipline, your business can continue growing and thriving for years to come. Again, if you want some more free help from me, you can book a free Zoom call with me by going to emaamz.com. And on this call, I'll give you a free listing audit, a free Amazon listing checklist, and I'll answer any questions that you may have about scaling your Amazon business. I'd love me and my team to be able to help you out with revamping your listings, getting you some new product photos and videos, and really boosting up your conversion rate so that your PPC performs a lot better for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.